4 ways to expertly delete clips in Davinci Resolve. So I made one before that goes over how to cut clips, but I'm going to make one going over how to delete them. So number 1, I'm just going to cut some clips first. If you press Ctrl and B at the same time, it will cut the clips. I'm just going to cut up some here. So the first one, just quickly, easily, is backspace. Like that. And if you want to undo something as well, press Ctrl Z. That one's quite easy, we don't need to go over that one for that long. Number 2 is if you press on the clip, press Shift and backspace, that will delete the clip and then move the others to replace the gap of where it is. Now, if you select multiple clips at once, you can either do backspace and delete it all, or you can do like the Shift and the backspace one and it does it like that. And then the last one is, if you press on the clip, press right click on your mouse and then go up to here, you have an option to delete it or ripple delete it here. So you could do it manually like this and not use the keyboard shortcuts like that. Watch this video here, which is how to expertly cut clips in Davinci Resolve. Subscribe.